Fast, accurate order fulfillment is critical, but slow shipping, stockouts, or errors can quietly cost up to 15 to 20% of lost revenue and frustrate customers. Fragmented warehousing fulfillment across wastes 5 to 12 hours per week and threatens campaign performances. Forsket makes e-commerce fulfillment seamless. We pack, we pick, and across to ship them Amazon, Walmart, TikTok, and many other marketplaces. Plus, we run daily free audits, often uncovering 5,000 to 20,000 in recoverable logistics costs per client. With real-time inventory tracking, multi-warehouse fulfillment, the new inventory planning and organizer that we are launching, StockChamp. No late shipments, no misplaced orders, no wasted ads with Forsket. We make e-commerce fulfillment reliable, transparent, and fully automated under your control. So you can focus on your growth and your brand and scale your operations.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.